Did you know you can make your WhatsApp on iPhone more secure by enabling Touch ID or Face ID? Activating this feature will add an extra layer of safety to your chats. When active, you will need your device authentication to unlock WhatsApp on your iPhone. The best part is, even with WhatsApp locked, you can still quickly reply to messages and answer calls. Let's get started. To set up Touch ID or Face ID for WhatsApp on your iPhone, first open WhatsApp and access its settings. Tap on Privacy and then select Screen Lock. Now toggle on either Require Touch ID or Require Face ID depending on your iPhone's capabilities. Additionally, you can specify how long WhatsApp can remain unlocked before Touch ID or Face ID is needed again. You have now made your WhatsApp more secure with Touch ID or Face ID. Now every time you open WhatsApp, it will ask for Touch ID or Face ID. Remember, if Touch ID or Face ID doesn't work, you can always use your iPhone passcode. If you ever decide to disable Touch ID or Face ID, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Navigate to Privacy and select Screen Lock. Now simply turn off the option Require Touch ID or Require Face ID. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.